So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to edit the bathrooms filter here on Redfin. So once Redfin's opened up, I'm going to go ahead and type in Scottsdale as my location, just for an example. Now, once you're in the Scottsdale region right here, if you want to go ahead and select your bedrooms filter, it's very simple. Go to the top left here to where it says beds slash baths. Press on the drop down where it says baths right here. You can go ahead. So if you want looking for a place that has, three or more bathrooms, you can go ahead and go 3 plus. 2.5 plus, whatever the case may be, we'll go ahead and do 3 plus here. Another way you can do it as well is to go to filters right here and then scroll down to where it says baths. And once again, you can type in the amount. So if you're looking for a place that has 4 plus baths, you can also go ahead and see what the price range is for houses of that specific in regard to the bathrooms filters. So if all looks good, you can go ahead and you can also zoom in a little bit to see where they are in regards to the area as well as how much they cost in that regard. So very simple, very straightforward, but this is how you guys can edit the bathrooms filter here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.